Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today we will see how to turn a normal helmet into a Bluetooth helmet for less than 1000 rupees. So let's get started. So what all would you need? Well, you'll basically need a working over-the-ear headphone. Be sure that it has a 3.5mm headphone jack. And what you have to do is you have to take out the speakers of the headphones like this with their wires intact. I've gone ahead and I've taped them. I'll show you. And this is the wire. So that's one. Next, the most important thing you'll need is a Bluetooth wireless receiver. This one I've got it from Amazon. So I'll read some of the features of this Bluetooth wireless receiver. It supports wireless hands-free for multimedia function connection. Its features include wireless support, supports wireless stereo music play, echo cancellation and noise separation, automatic power off memory function, direct access audio input. Disconnected for 3 minutes, it will automatically shut down. A 3.5mm stereo. It has a playback time of 8 hours and a backup time of almost 20 days, meaning once charged, it would stay charged for more than 20 days if not used. It has a built-in microphone in it. So basically this is the unit. The headphone jack goes over here and this side is for the charging of this device. Well, you have to long press to power it on, take a call, single tap to take a call and single tap to disconnect it, single tap to also pause music and play music. This is to increase volume, next track, decrease volume, next track. So these are the two basic items which you will need. Now you'll need some 3M tape to secure these speakers in your helmet. So these are leftovers from my previous video. If you haven't checked out my previous video yet, I'll link it up over here. In my previous video, I put a chin mount over here and it's perfect. And it also allows me to use the front air vent and some masking tape for the wires. And yeah, obviously you will need a helmet. In my case, it's my Exor Apex Hunter. Okay, so now let's get started with the process. So first up, I've gone ahead and removed the visor of the helmet, which is very easy. You just have to pull these buttons on both the sides of the helmet. Next, what I'll do is I'll remove the chin curtain for now. And what we need to do now is place these speakers inside the helmet. To remove this cheek pad, you have to pull it from here, and as you can see, there's this button over here. So you have to pull it out like this. So what I'll do now is I'll keep the cheek pad like this and mount the speaker over here where there's already a cavity made for the speaker. And I'll run the wire like this and I'll keep the wire inside the cheek pad of the helmet, as I don't want to push it inside here as many of them do, because I would definitely feel the pressure of the wires on my head and it would disturb me a lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the wires over here because I want the Bluetooth module, this, to be over here in front like this. So it'll be easy to charge as well to pick up calls and disconnect. So that is what I'm going to do right now. So take the speaker. For me, this is the right and this one is the left. So what I'm going to do now is take a double-sided tape. I'm going to paste the double-sided tape inside over here in its cavity like this, and then paste the speaker over it so that it stays in place. Now I'm going to place the speaker over here. I'm going to put it inside like this and I'm going to press against it and push the wire like this. So that is in place now. Put the cheek pad back. Now what you have to do is you have to keep this halfway and do the same procedure with the right speaker behind the cheek pad. So I'm going to do that now. Take the second speaker unit be sure to be careful with the wires and place it here accordingly. Give it a gentle press so that it is in place, and drive the wire again outwards from the small gap which is there. So what you have to do is put the cheek pad in first and channel this remaining wire of both sides. Fold it maybe once or twice. And tape both ends so that they stay together. You can use any tape, cello tape, electric tape. I'm using this masking tape which I had. It's just so that the wires stay in place, nothing else. So yeah, this will go over here. So be sure that the speaker's wire is also very safe. So I'm gonna put a tape over here. Now just pass this over here, and you remember the wire which you rolled? Yes, this one. Just roll it back one more time and pass it in the cheek pad like this. And slowly, gently, don't push anything, don't rush. Slowly, gently, just push back the cheek pad into place like this. Forget about the buttons as of now. So here, just push it in like this. There's more than enough gap. Push these wires. And do the same process for this side of the cheek pad as well. Don't forget to tape the wire of this side of the speaker as well, so that it doesn't move around and damage the speaker. So I've gone ahead and I've nicely taped down the wires so that they don't get out of place to themselves, actually, not to the padding. So what I'll do now is the same procedure. And I want this to come out from here like this so that it rests over here in front. So over here you'll be left by this wire. Put back the cheek padding with this button. So your speaker is right over here. And look at this, there's no wires here so that it doesn't cause headache. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a double-sided tape over here like this, straight over here, and mount this Bluetooth receiver over here like this so that I can charge it from here, and this is the button to receive and take calls. Okay, so I've cut down a long strip of tape over here which I'll put inside the helmet over here like this, and I'll mount the Bluetooth device on it like this. So I'll do that now. And as in my previous video which I had shown you that this mount is reversible, meaning it can be removed and it won't damage your helmet. Similarly, this idea is also reversible. So I'll mount it like this over here, press it firmly in place, and there you go, it's done. Now your helmet is a Bluetooth helmet to receive calls and to play music if you're into it. So I'll list some of the advantages of using this method up on the screen next, and also I'll run you through the process of how to connect this with your mobile phone. So what you have to do is you have to go in your Bluetooth, turn it on, and you have to turn on the device, long press and hold it like this, and here you have to connect Bluetooth audio. And now I'll play some NCS music for you. You can pause the music and play it. Same goes with your increasing and decreasing the volume and changing your track. Now I'll just show you, I'll make a quick call while the music is playing. I'll make a call from my dad's phone to show you how it performs. A call. So yeah, as you can see, the ring is going, and if I press this button on top over here, the first button, I can accept the call. Hello. So yeah, you can just cut the call by pressing the top button over here. So yeah, that is a quick video over how to turn a normal helmet into a Bluetooth helmet. And now you can put the chin curtain back and you're good to go. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you all like the video, please do let me know in the comment section below and hit that like button. Also share it ahead with a friend or two who would benefit from this video. Oh yeah, I'll link the products I've used in the description of the video, and it is not necessary that you have to use a branded headphone. You can use any of the generic ones. I'll link some in the description below. Y'all can check it out.